Sorry, Jim. Oh. Can we just pause for a second and appreciate the marketing of the GoPro 7 unboxing box? Oh my gosh, Amazon is now promoting their Amazon Prime shows, Jack Ryan with Jim, sorry Jim, with their TV shows on the outside of their box. I've never seen this before. I've never seen this before. Well, that was a fun unboxing. Not bad, not bad. Got the knife. Thank you, Blake, for that knife that he made. All right, I've been filming with a GoPro Session for a long time now. All of the races that I've done this year, and I filmed during the race, the running races, I've done with this guy. You know, it's shaky footage. It's shaky. So, the huge marketing movement for the GoPro 7 is that it is the gimbal killer. Meaning it stabilizes the footage for you. You don't have to have a gimbal. So tonight, I'm gonna take this GoPro 7 with me on date night with True Love. We're gonna go to Whole Foods, maybe go to H&M, come along for the journey. It's gonna be fun. And then in about 2 or 3 minutes, you're gonna see my initial impressions for how this guy performs with just holding it in my hand with no gimbal. So this is my unboxing video for the GoPro 7, and I'm excited. I'm excited, to put it lightly.
Ooh! Whoa!
Hello.
It's double the sound. Hi,
Hello. Switching from the Canon 5D to the GoPro 7 on date night.
See ya.
See ya, Canon 5D. See ya. Boom. There it is.
That is cool, honey.
Hun, it stabilizes somehow.
Whoa.
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 It's all stabilized.
That just reminded me of that game when you were little, that it was like all those little pins and you could put your hand in it and it would make whatever you put in it.
Oh, yeah.
That doesn't
I know
stabilize, but it's just a cool thing.
I know what you're talking about.
I like it, babe. Whoa,
we go.
wow, that picture looked amazing.
Did you see that? Woo!
Oh, here, I'll get this.
This is pretty cool, I must say.
Oh man, that's pretty, honey. I want to.
It's pretty ridiculous.
It's really ridiculous. When we actually buy it, I'm assuming, babe, we would do that online because, for instance, they might have the right size. Oh my gosh, your edits are freaking amazing, by the way.
Did you like that yesterday?
Yeah,
Did you like that?
I was really impressed.
AKA today.
I was.
Fun. Okay. Oh, we're just going for it.
Yeah, we are.
I locked it before we left.
Oh, smart.
7.
Well, it's a pretty cool thing. I understand.
And I'm sorry. And I want to have a good date night.
Hon, we are going to have a good date night.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a lot easier to film with than the Canon 5D.
Right?
Oh,
Yeah.
excuse me.
Oh, doesn't it smell amazing? Like all those flowers? Should we go get those? That's a cool shot.
Okay, where are we going? Food.
Food.
We're going to the food. That is all that's important right now is
Yeah,
food.
we're starving, Marvin.
Okay, I think it's probably to the left.
Okay, that sounds right. I almost feel like sushi.
Whoa.
I think they have like a little, look at their hangers. Oh, wow.
Hello. Cardboard?
Yeah.
All right.
I wonder if we should just real quick see. for the rest of the month. But I think we have...
Okay, we're looking for sushi.
It's gonna feel like, well, I will feel
Sushi.
Oh.
I don't know how to shop at Whole Foods. Can somebody help me? Please, please, please. I lost true love. I don't know where she's at. Where'd she go? I'm like pasta or something.
Oh, that's fair. Look at that chicken pesto sandwich.
Theory, this is stabilized.
The table's not stabilized.
No.
Oh my gosh. I am just so impressed.
We had a little panic attack because we only had $40 in our cash envelope. As you know, we're a cash family. And
There's
basically, we forgot to redeploy cash into the envelope, the date night envelope for October. So we kind of freaked out for a second, but sure enough, we have enough money for 5 Tuesdays in October, date night Tuesday. Heyo.
Roll over.
Divine.
Amazing. Thank you to William, who helped with that.
Yeah. With what? Oh,
The
rollover.
gift cards, so we didn't spend that money for that.
Oh, yeah. Will, we love you.
Looks really, really good. Oh my gosh. How much do you think these cards are?
$3. 4. That was pretty close.
Yes, I do want mine.
Dessert was amazing. Dessert was amazing. The camera died. The GoPro Hero 7 camera died. The battery. I was unable to charge it fully before we left, and so you know, the battery died a little quicker than I expected. That's okay though. I shot in 4K in that store, as you saw, and I've never filmed with a 4K camera. Now I get it. This is not a full sensor camera. This is not a it's not a full sensor. It's not a Canon 5D full frame, I should say. So it's not like a full 4K. It's hard to explain in camera terms, but I'm excited. Again, this is being dubbed and talked about as a gimbal killer. So a gimbal is something that you hold to stabilize the camera while you're filming, to get rid of that shake. And that would come in very handy on some of my runs, holding the Hero Session. You know how I've done that this past summer in some of my races. So tomorrow, I plan to take this out on the first run ever with this guy, and just to test the stabilization feature of the GoPro. And we are excited. For filming for date night, it was great. It was much easier than carrying around a DSLR. Now, granted, I am not going to give up on the Canon 5D or any other cameras. I mean, in fact, I'm researching a lot about Panasonic right now for 4K cameras, but for like ease of use and just like taking a little bit of a mental break as a daily vlogger, I think this guy is going to be a big piece of my equipment repertoire, if I can put it that way. So, overall, I'm excited. Thanks for stopping by to just see me unbox it, see some test footage in Whole Foods, and we'll take it out for an actual stabilization test tomorrow. Does that sound good? Does that sound good, YouTube? Thanks for being here. Thanks for being you. Question of the day: do you own a GoPro camera? That's the question of, have you ever owned a GoPro camera? If so, what is it, and what do you think about it? And I guess just an additional bonus question, do you think you might upgrade to the GoPro 7? I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Comment down below. And if you saw this comment, let me know you made it this far in the video by dropping GoPro in the comments. That's all you got to type, GoPro, and we'll be good to go for tomorrow. All right, seek beauty. Oh, by the way, I forgot I have a time lapse up on the hill. We'll go get that for you. Seek beauty, work hard, love each other. See you tomorrow.